धूम्रपान ना करें ना करने दें। धूम्रपान पड़ेगा महंगा।
Are you stoned right now?
Yeah, I am right. I am stoned right now.
Because views matter evolution.
Do you smoke marijuana?
I want to say no, but my conscience is not letting me.
Of course, that's what I live on.
Yep, I smoke marijuana.
हाँ, मैं रोज ही पीता हूँ। सुबह शाम जहाँ समय मिलता है, जहाँ जगह मिलता है, वही पीता हूँ।
Have you ever rolled a joint?
No, I prefer somebody does it for me.
Yes, for my friends, but I have not rolled a joint for myself.
Well, I started out with joints. Now I don't smoke joint. That's typical, I know. But as I know, everyone started with joints. I also started with that only. And at first, I couldn't roll a joint because my hands shake altogether too much since birth. So, well, after trying a few times, I thought that maybe I will be able to. And on stage in front of my seniors, I held my head up high and rolled a joint.
Yeah, every time. मैं रोज हमेशा रोल ही करता हूँ जॉइंट। ये मेरा काम है।
Are you stoned right now?
Well, judging from the way I'm speaking and how much I'm speaking, I would say yes.
Do you know the difference between marijuana high and alcohol high?
Alcohol high, मतलब कंट्रोल नहीं रहता। एक टाइम के बाद वो दैट उल्टी बवाल मच जाता है। लेकिन marijuana में क्या होता है? ट्रिपिंग। आफ्टर यू गेट हाई यू गो ट्रिपिंग ओनली। अलग ही फील होता है उसका, एक मज़ा ही अलग है।
I have never experienced marijuana, so I cannot tell you the exact difference between alcohol and marijuana. Okay, so I can tell you the highness of alcohol. Like alcohol, when you drink, when you're drunk, you vomit, you have a hangover. These are the symptoms you have after having that alcohol, and I don't have any experience regarding marijuana, so I cannot tell you that.
अगर आप दारू पीते हो तो अब नाचोगे, गाओगे, अगर अब उसके बदले आप वीट पियोगे तो अब थोड़ा हाई घूमोगे, कुछ नया सोचोगे करने के लिए, और उधर अलग ही फीलिंग होता है वो इसमें वीट में।
That's something pretty simple. You know, you get drunk, you vomit up around the place. If you know, go to that above that threshold point. But in case of marijuana, it's more like a saturation point. So the only thing you can crave for at the moment is munchies. And with alcohol, you can crave for a lot of things, like waking up bad in the morning, having a bad experience on the night before.
Once I started smoking marijuana, it was like, this is better, man, because this keeps you calm. Whereas when you're taking alcohol, your stomach gets upset and all that stuff. You go to the bathroom a few dozen times, and that's totally irritating because, well, when you're high, you don't want to get up too much.
I've never tried marijuana, so I can't tell anything about marijuana, but alcohol is better.
One gives you a bad hangover, one gives you a trip. That's all.
Should marijuana be legalized?
What's the point? We are all getting it anyways. Legalize, नहीं करने से भी चलेगा, क्योंकि अभी फ़िलहाल लीगल तो नहीं है, फिर भी लोग पीते हैं। एक बार अगर लीगलाइज हो जाता है तो फिर उसका मतलब अलग से अभी नया सियापा चालू है, टैक्स वैक्स वो सब लग जाएगा। अभी ऐसे ही है, मस्ती में फ्री का है।
Yes, it can be legalized like tobacco also. It will help my friends.
I think it should, because people don't really know the effects of marijuana, and everyone thinks about only the negative effects. Well, things are made up of positive and negative, right? We have to start looking at it from another aspect. So marijuana should be legalized. Yes, from me.
I think marijuana should be legalized because back in India there was some time marijuana was legalized back in then. I don't know the exact date, but the year may be in 1985. Okay, so after that it got illegal. So people they have a thinking that the people should, like, they always go after illegal things. So to stop that thing, I think you should legalize marijuana.
Hey guys, this is Bitan from IndieViews. So this was our video on marijuana. Hope you guys liked it. Share it with your stoner friends and subscribe to our channel IndieViews, because views matter evolution.